Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, guys. Hope you're doing great today. Thanks for joining us.
Today's topic is something we all need: how to stay positive during hard times.
Life isn't always easy, right? Sometimes we feel stressed, tired, or even hopeless.
Yeah, maybe school pressure, money problems, or family issues.
But don't worry. Today, we'll share simple ways to stay strong and positive.
And trust me, these tips really work. Tip number 1, change your mindset.
Instead of saying, "My life is terrible," say, "This is just a bad day, not a bad life."
Exactly. Your words control your brain.
So speak positive things to yourself every day.
Like, I can do this. I'm getting better. Everything will be okay.
Tip number 2, don't keep everything inside.
Yes. Talk to a friend, your parents, or someone you trust.
When you share your feelings, your heart feels lighter.
And sometimes just talking solves half the problem. Tip number 3, do small things that make you happy.
Like listening to music,
Watching your favorite show,
going for a walk.
or even drinking your favorite coffee.
Small joys can change your whole mood. Here's a powerful one. Be grateful.
Every day, think about 3 things you're thankful for.
Maybe your family, your health, or your friends.
When you focus on what you have, you stop worrying about what you don't have. And always remember,
Hard times don't last forever.
but strong people do.
You're stronger than you think.
If this episode helped you, share it with someone who needs positivity today.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our podcast. Stay positive, stay strong, and see you next time. Bye.